Welcome back to Clutch Control, guys. Today we are going to do a full exhaust system change. First thing you do is take off the right hand side fairing panel. So now that we've loosened the right hand side panel, we have enough space to put our socket wrench into the bolts holding the engine.
Holding the engine, yeah?
So now that we've loosened the right hand side panel, we are able to squeeze in a socket wrench so we can unscrew the two bolts of the two bolts headers So now that we've loosened the right hand side panel, there's enough space to put a socket wrench into the bolts to unscrew the headers from the engine. Now that we've got the exhaust assembled, we'll be putting this exhaust on reverse. I had to finish. So now that we've got the exhaust assembled, we are going to be putting this in place in the reverse order where we took it off.
What? Say it in Greek if you can't speak. Go on.
Τώρα που βγάλαμε αυτό, το προηγούμενο θα βάλουμε τώρα το επόμενο. Even in Greek. Now that we've got this assembled, we're going to be putting this in place in the reverse order of what we've just done. So after getting the exhaust in, looking like a mess, we'll finally do a sound check. You ready?
Very much so. Let's have a listen.